Wow, dude, that's so beautiful.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a hot minute since I have uploaded a video. There has been a lot going on. Been super busy, back at work. But anyways, I thought we would
Do a video.
So I have been watching a lot of people use rim paste around their beer. So we thought we were going to create our own rim paste. I actually created one the other day. I actually made some the other day, and it came out freaking bomb. Like, it's so good.
So good. I just tried it. It was really good.
Yeah, and we even bought gummy bears or gummy worms, right? As you see?
Yeah, just gummy candy.
Yeah, and we dipped it in the paste, and so good, guys. So freaking good. So we are going to show you guys, or we are going to vlog our recipe so we can share it with you guys, and we hope you guys enjoy it. You ready?
Keep on watching.
All right. First, what you're going to need is this pulparindo. Is that how you say it?
A ver,
Pulparindo.
Sí.
You're gonna need 10 of these pulparindo. 10 of these little packages.
Gonna unwrap them.
Yes. And then you are going to need, you're gonna choose any flavor you want from the Lucas powder. I didn't find any of the actual powder at the store, so I had to buy the ones that came with paletas. But anyways, you're gonna use the polvo that comes out of this. So I chose the watermelon flavor. So you can choose whatever flavor you'd like. There's mango, watermelon, and I don't know. There's a lot of flavors. Anyways, and then you are also going to need
some chamoy.
You're also going to need some chamoy. I'm actually running a little low, but this is going to be enough. You actually don't need a lot. So some chamoy, and it doesn't have to be this brand. It can be whatever, as long as it's chamoy. And then this is the one that I made the other day. So once it's cooled off, this is how thick it is. It's so good. And then, like I said earlier, you can also, you don't only have to use this with beer. You can also put gummies in there. Gummy worms.
Okay. 10 out of 10.
Excelente. Anyways, okay, so we already have our pan right here. I have it set on 4, so it's kind of like medium, I guess, medium heat. And then I'm gonna use 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Perfect.
So this is the other flavor. This is está más picoso, but I like this one. So we're gonna unwrap these. So you want to make sure to move it around porque no quieres que se te pegue. You don't want it to like burn, but you want it to get kind of like pasty. So you just want to make sure to keep stirring it. That way you don't let it sit.
Blandito, right?
Yeah, you don't want it to let it sit because then se te quema. Then it's gonna taste burnt. So now that we have this
consistency.
Now that we have this consistency.
I can't.
Oh my god, ya no lo puedo decir. Now that it looks like this, kind of pasty, we want to go ahead and put our chamoy. So it depends on how much you want. So yesterday that I measured it, it was half a cup. Pero I'm just gonna do it al tanteo because I don't need a lot. So yeah, it depends on how much you want. is how much chamoy and of this tamarindo you're gonna put on there. So I'm actually just gonna go ahead and put the rest of this. So that's about maybe half a cup. Just keep stirring it. Make sure it's not clumpy like this. That's what you want to make sure, que se ve, it dissolves. Now that the tamarindo has broken down and it looks like this, you want to make sure to turn it down. I already turned it down to about a 2. So just keep stirring, kind of break it down a little bit more. Okay, so now that is ready, I forgot to mention that we will be using Tajin. So I'm gonna add my Tajin on there, and you can also do the same amount, half a cup or just al tanteo. So it really just varies on how much you want to put on there. You can do the same amount as in chamoy, like I said, half a cup. Yo nomás le puse el tanteo. So at this moment, you will also be adding your Lucas. Remember I said that at the store, I didn't find the one that was just powder. I had to buy the one that had the paleta. So you're gonna add 3 of these. Any flavor that you want to use. Okay, so that is pretty much it. That's all you really have to do. Now I'm just gonna let it cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. And I'm just gonna let this cool right here, okay?
So once that has cooled down,
it's gonna look like this. And you can put it in whatever container you'd like. I have a glass container, but it's gonna be a thick consistency. So that's what that looks like. Then you're gonna grab the beer of your choice. Dude, we're always doing like a freaking, every video that I upload is like an alcoholic video.
yeah.
Don't forget before you dip your can into the rim paste to wash it. So that's what I'm doing right now. So like I said earlier, this is how you want it to look. It is thick and it is perfect. So you can do this 2 ways. You can just dip your beer.
Wow, dude, that's so beautiful.
You can dip your beer. And if you don't care, there's that. Or you can grab your beer and then grab a spoon and just do it like that. If you don't care to get your fingers dirty, then the other way is the way to go. But so yeah, you can do it like that. Amanda, you ready? Amanda is going to be our taste tester. Si le hizo agua la boca?
Yeah, I did. Did I taste it already?
All right, let's do cheers first. All right, so you ready?
Ready.
Cheers. This is good.
Oh my god.
This is so good, guys.
No, it's really good.
This is very good. Like I said, you can add whatever flavor you want. If you want to do watermelon, if you want to do... What the heck? Girl, you're supposed to drink the can, not freaking eat it. It's so good. This is so good. But anyways, like we mentioned earlier,
You can add it to your candy.
you can also add candy. That's good. This is really good. So I would recommend for you to use the same amount of chamoy and tajin. So it was about half a cup of both. And then of the Lucas chili powder, I used 3 of those. And try to look for the Lucas that's just a powder, not the one that comes with the sucker like mine did. And then what else? That's about it. And that should last you a good while. Depends on how much you drink and how much you use. That is it for today's video. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and
Don't forget to turn on your post notifications bell to... Fuck, it's been a while.
don't forget to turn on that post notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Bye guys.
I look high.
What? Dude, the lighting in here freaking sucks. But anyways, ready?